Hey everyone, Sally here from Houzz. In this video, I will show you how to make a floor plan using our 3D floor plan tool. Let's get started. Here I am on the 3D floor plan start page. All your previously saved floor plans will appear here. To access the feature, go to Manage and then click on 3D floor plan. So we're going to go ahead and add a new floor plan. Let's pretend we're building out a small ADU or a garage conversion. I'll go ahead and adjust the size of the room by dragging the walls. I can further refine my measurements by going to Dollhouse mode and selecting the walls I want to adjust and then typing in the exact dimensions. I can add additional walls by going back to the floor plan view and clicking the Draw Wall tool, which looks like a pencil. Here, I'm going to make a bathroom. Now let's add some doors and windows. Just click to add. Here I'll flip the door so that it opens the right way. Doors and windows automatically attach itself to the wall under your cursor. Now let's make this door bigger. We'll add some windows. Let's duplicate this one. And this window probably needs to be higher off the floor. All right, let's take a look. All right, let's add some products. We have products in both the products and source menu, but let's start with products. In the products menu, we have generic products that can be used primarily for sizing purposes. In 3D view, these will appear as a white model so clients can understand that they're a placeholder. These generic products can be a fast and easy way to show your clients how the space is to be utilized. Here, we are building out the bathroom. You might notice I've been using the floating menu to rotate and duplicate products. You can also delete products from this menu or press the delete button on your keyboard for both products and walls. If you want to find products in full color or find an exact product, you can go to the Source tab, which will pull products with 3D models from the Houzz Marketplace. Here I've searched for a rug, a 6x9, which is perfect for my sofa. To finish things off, let's add some finishes to our floors and walls. I've clicked the floor in the bathroom, and let's find a good marble tile. Now let's find a good wood flooring for the main room. Now let's paint the walls. Let's select the back wall here for an accent color. You can select the paint color by browsing the menu or by typing the colors that you know you want. For all the other walls, we can multi-select by holding down Shift and applying the same color to all of these walls. And there we go. Go ahead and give it a try yourself. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn all about the great project management tools that Houzz Pro has to offer. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. We're always happy to help. Thank you.